I know it's been a while since I've had a chance to have a go at doing some more programming with my attempts of making a game on my Next, but I came across a barrier where things were really slowing down and I felt I was missing something, that there should be some way of making the sprites control themselves. It turns out that, yeah, there is the Sprite Continue. I hadn't upgraded my Next, I thought I had, and I was missing those commands and added them in, and it's made quite a difference. So if I run the game now, let me get this, things are looking a bit more sprightly. So now you can see no slowdown. So I feel a lot happier now. Made a bit of progress there. I mean, this was just grinding to a halt when I was doing fire. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Just to show it can be done. Got any comments? Just let me know. And thanks for watching. I'll put an image of those commands as well, just so you can see them. Thanks for watching.